Hey guys, what's up? Just coming back again with another trade review for September 27th, 2023. Today I took a breakout on SE. And again, this is something typically I wouldn't take. Primarily, I trade parabolic reversals or reversals and pinpoint entries. This is just another thing I'm adding to my playbook so that way I can potentially find something in all markets. And this was on my gappers list. I use trade ideas, and just before the open, let's say 10-15 minutes prior, I'll just do a quick scan, kind of look at the stock, what's the short float, what's the spread, does it fall into my criteria of stocks that I typically would trade? And it did. And what I saw was at the open or prior to the open, it formed this small 1 minute range, and it held that range. And so a thought process was I would take it at the break of this, which I did right here. And then again, this stock kind of made me nervous. I'm not familiar with how it moves, and generally speaking, I trade from a set watch list that I have, and so I wasn't really sure what it was going to do. So I partialed real quick on this, and then all out, and then I re-entered for this really quick pop, and that was it. Actually, I took one real small stab at it here, and this is just shows the importance of trader psychology. This did run, obviously, looking in hindsight, up to 43.50 or 43.65. However, coming in with 2 or 3 consecutive red days, it was fear. That's simply all it was, and it did have volume, but there was just nothing left on the order book that was telling me to stay in this or take it long. I've adopted the shot clock rule that SMB uses, where if something just kind of hangs around a level and doesn't do much moving, I'll bail instantly and kind of wait for another signal on the tape or the level two. And I did see, I'll show you guys the what I saw on Bookmap. So here we are at 9:30, and you can see all of these orders to the top side. We have here, here, and here, which it all ran to. And that was the other reason for me to take this trade. And that would be it for today. It's just the one trade. Again, I'm coming off a couple losses. I am, however, green for the month of September, doing rather well. And just always looking to expand my playbook, look for ways to improve trader psychology, which I feel and find is one of the most important aspects of trading. And many of you who haven't been trading for a long time will come to realize that after you've been in the game for a couple years. But if anyone has any questions, interested in mentoring, please shoot me an email or DM. You can visit my site, zprotrader.com, trying to build a small community. And yeah, hope everybody had a great trading day, and I'll see you soon.